Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Ïaki University, Meghalaya.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Take kumki kaliram, hagador kubajam, taksao point riulak. Just wow.
The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
All the parents, guardians, also students who are here in this program today. So I welcome you all. Thank you for sparing your precious time to be here to witness what the students, your children, have prepared, and I hope you will enjoy this program today. Thank you once again. Have a good day.
Mrs. N. Hill's Tiny Tots Eastville Secondary School. Kawadan hakashnong nong thamai lumya blood shillong. Klapen long yak exhibition arts and craft hakash photo unailar arhajar apon rio. But hagan gasngi lay shimbenta dagi kena puli jongan ga school kiba puli nado kadan pre nursery hado kiba puli yak class 10.
Good morning, my name is Agu Kechi Gianna Ling.Longleg. I will show you how to make a simple sandwich. Steps: wash your hand before starting. Step 2. Take 2 slices of bread. Step 3. Cover. Spread butter or cream cheese on 1 slice. Step 4. Take cucumber, tomato, cucumber and onion. Step 5. Cover with the other slice of bread. Step 6. Gently press the sandwich. Step 7. Cut into 2 triangles. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. My name is Yoko Kiyam. I am a peacock, and peacock is a national bird. Thank you. Morning, everyone. My name is Nang Saifawa. I dress the mango, the national fruit of India. My name is Nang Saifawa. I am a tiger. A very good morning to you, my dear parents and my dear friends. Hello, my name is Sheldon Sarvich. Hello, my name is Mewan Khun. Hello, my name is Lilian Sanikshya. My name is Isarbat Havitai Sumer. My name is
Hagan exhibition la yo iru yaka jingshlur jongi khenna ban pen I chelagi jongi kmi kpa yaka e ka baklapin kre but kum juru kriyam ki pher ki blasu penwandor yaka exhibition la play ka principal jonga school ka congratiously khar ka ngor but ka phang kalong creative blossoms
I am a skin. I can feel with my skin. Good morning, everyone. Is for the exam. I am a sunflower. I am a rose. I am red rose. My name is Abisunda Marbo. I study philosophy. I dress like a butterfly. I am a butterfly. I fly high up the sky. My name is Painty. I am a waiter. I sell food. I welcome customers with a smile. I am polite and helpful. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning. My name is Kelly Kakatara. I am a waitress. I serve food to customers. I love everyone with a smile.
Habekan ka vice principal ka kong ibada hon sha lingdo nonglan kalaong bayakan exhibition la pinlong manlausnam khnang ban pinchlur yaki khenna omtang ki jingpuli henre ban hikai bakin shna ki jingshna hai bon rukam but ban pinjana shu yaka sab ka phang ka bakidon
Good morning, everyone. My name is Valeria. I am studying class 3, section A. Today I'm going to talk about one of the types of transportation, and that is land transport is the movement of people, animals, and goods from one place to another on land. Example of land transport are road transport and rail transport. Example, road transport uses buses, cars, motorcycles, trucks, etc. Rail transport uses trains. Thank you.
Ka collective noun. Ka jingjeria ki babunda ka way ka kerteng. Noksa. Sidur ki slipar. Sisong ki day. Siranjot ki shabir.
Now, let me show you the fun and easiest way to learn multiplication. Just by using these lines. For example, 3 multiplied by 3. We take 3 lines from here and 3 lines from here. One, 2, 3. Now, do you want to know what's the answer? The answer is where the 2 lines meet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Thank you.
Kmie kami ke parent mo ngan ong epi nga appreciate siya ka jing trishtam ginahikai. They have so many innovative, creative ideas, but nga so kumenru ikon jo nga isutanat ban school, but kaway ru ti danbon ki activities ka school nga yaro siya ka school management committee na marba every now and then ki organize ki programs ki events ki ba yarap mo ban develop ya ki skills jing ki khun juli habab ipet ka art and craft mo kaway ni subject menta ka jing education menta ka long ba mday bangin bagin laptang ikata ka jing start kot handre ka way pat ka long ba ni pet ni yo ladang yo ni ay ka platform yaki kum ka art and craft ki skills kum ki reading writing skills ki plays ki bubunjat himo katahi nga laban ong ba kani ka school amday show kata ka school ka ba mensyang itip tang ka play school mo menta nga pet kat nang mi usnam kata kajing crowd jong ka school kajing champang jong kitray kinohitay kam tame katahi kata kalit ka credit kalit ye kinahikay. Ngapit ukon nga na wan siyang ngamjudan kam man kay mo. Na marka ka barki lohikay kila hikay ni na school one who improve his skills katahi.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Dudley, and my topic for today is the Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau lies on the south of the northern plains. It's triangular in shape and are highly uneven. The plateau is rich in minerals such as coal and iron ore. It consists of numerous hills, range and valleys. Arab Valley Hills, one of the oldest hill range of the world, borders it is the northwest side. The Peninsular Plateau is the oldest part of India known as the Indian Plateau. Thank you.
Good morning, dear parents. My name is Arsha Lintanongai. Today I'll be explaining about the coastal plains. The coastal plains lie on two sides of the Indian Peninsula, west of the Western Ghats and east of the Eastern Ghats. The western coastal plains are very narrow and rocky, while the eastern coastal plains are much wider and broader. There are several east-flowing rivers. Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri all drain into the Bay of Bengal. These rivers form fertile deltas at their mouths. The famous Sundarban Delta is formed by the Ganga and Brahmaputra rivers flowing into the Bay of Bengal. In the south of Gujarat, the coastal plain is called the Konkan Coast. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Elithan Password from class 8. Today I want to show you a STEM model which is gravity into green energy. This model shows us how we can use the power of gravity to turn into clean electricity. So it has a few simple parts like a heavy rock that acts as the weight, a rope that has a pulley, and a small motor on top that acts as the generator. And we have an LED light. So this science works in just 3 simple and quick steps. Number 1 is storing energy. When I lift this heavy weight up, I'm storing potential energy inside it. Second thing, moving energy. When I let it go, the heavy rock, gravity pulls it down, which converts the potential energy into kinetic energy or motion. So this third thing we have making light. So as the heavy weight falls down, the string spins the pulley on top, which turns on our motor, and this motor changes the movement into electricity, which instantly turns up our LED light. So it works like this. As I'm pulling this heavy weight, I'm storing potential energy inside it, and when I let it go, the potential energy turns into kinetic energy, which instantly turns on our LED light. So how does this help people? In real world, millions of people who live in remote areas struggle with electricity. They burn harmful kerosene oil in order to get light. With a device like this, gravity into green energy, they can just fill a bag with local stones or dirt, lift it up, and get clean and safe energy. Also, big companies are now using giant versions of this uh, model to store electricity. Like, unlike regular lithium batteries, gravity never runs out and never leaks and lasts forever. Thank you.
Warmly welcome you to World of Shakespeare. Today the pages of literature come alive. The kings and queens, rulers and kings, heroes and fools have lived for centuries in the imagination of readers now stuck onto the stage before you. Their joys will become our joys. Their sorrows our sorrows. Their triumphs and tragedies will remind us that although centuries have passed, human heart remains the same. Before we begin, let us pay tribute to the greatest playwright the world has ever known, William Shakespeare.
I was born in Stratford-upon-Avon in 1564. I wrote 29 plays, 154 sonnets, and countless poems that have become literature forever. My verse crossed kingdoms, oceans, and generations, teaching us about love, ambition, jealousy, friendship, betrayal, and hope.
Dear rounding wind, rise higher, Let the sea obey my command. This storm is no act of nature, but of justice.
Betrayed by his own brother and siblings, stole both his crown and his home. Yet even in revenge, Shakespeare reminds us that forgiveness is greater than hatred.
Bob, you have slain my friend.
Ngasham baka skul ka la improve shibon ba ki don ki model ba ki le menta ki long ba kamlong complicated ba ngani skam ba kani rap ki khna skul ba ki nang grow and explore ya ki talent jun ki ran ki ideas jun ki yung kure shibon ki skul principles ki nang kai ba ki ay trash tam ban ya le ki exhibitions ba ki model ki ba kham compare nta manak snami biki leki model leki jat but mentaw snam thing kam yi biki kam long more advanced kala penroy sibon ki ka jing tho jing ki spangki technologies spangki mo spangka kumno ban gerap environment tam kin model biki le nta se kata ngamang yi nakaliang jing parents yung work hard on this.
Good morning to you all. We warmly welcome you to our school exhibition 2026. We are from class 3B. My name is Shonhor Mangkong. Today we will be discussing a topic from the Kasi subject. So let's begin. Name of the topic: Ki jat noun, Ka proper noun, Ka tirteng ba tik na kabathu ya uwe na kawe.
Nuksa. Udan bal ulang ukhna tipsni. Katach mahal kalang kabahe. Uthamat uday uksau jangki paramaljan. Ka common noun. Ka kerteng bayaya lang ne bakhat kulum lang Ïaki aka bana kajuk kajat.
Ka kot pulia.
Ikulum.
Usla.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mene Bakriam. I study in class 2B. Today we are going to present our model on the topic My Basic Needs. My basic needs. Every human being needs 5 basic needs to live a healthy and happy life. They are air, water, food, clothes and shelter. Air, water, food, clothes and shelter. Now my friends will explain more about these 5 basic things. My name is Bianca Rees Mangrum. I study in class 2B. Now I'm going to explain about air. Air. Air is all around us. We cannot see or touch it. Air is essential for all living things and living beings. We breathe air all the time.
Naliang ki parents we find that the school is doing a great job in excelling the child's creativity and confidence. So from the parent side, we are very happy that the school is giving a good opportunity to the students in this way. So we are very fortunate to have our children study in this school.
Good morning everyone. My name is Iban and I warmly welcome you all to our school exhibition. We are from class 6B. Today our
we will be representing a topic on the topic of physical features of India. Now I would like to hand over the time to my friend Moses.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Moses, and I study in class 6B. Today, I am showcasing the northern mountains of India, which is the highest young-fold mountain of the world. They form a giant wall stretching from the Indus River in the west to the Brahmaputra in the east. The highest peak is Mount Everest, located in Nepal at 8,848 meters, whereas the second highest peak is Mount K2, or we also call it Mount Godwin Austen. It is the second highest in the world, but the highest in India. It is located in Karakoram, Ranji, Ladakh, Jammu and Kashmir at 8,611 meters. They are covered with glaciers due to melting of ice and snow.
Today I will be explaining the Great Indian Desert. The Great Indian Desert is also known as the Thar Desert. The Thar Desert is covered between 2 lakh square kilometers. It is found in the Indian state in Rajasthan. The only river that flows in the Great Indian Desert is the Luni River. The plant that grows there are cactus. The cactus has wide roots to search for water. The Great Indian Desert is the most crowded desert in the world. Thank you.
Kublai baro mga di tong ibad kun shaling dot nong line na di vice principal jong ka school Mrs. N Hills tiny Tots Eastville Secondary School. Kubaki kaliba manlaus dem ni jidon kanika program kanika school exhibition bat kum juru ka jing pen iya ki craft no kijing di ki craft ne ki kam la trade ki khana but balik ne kalong ka batong kam na kalian jong ka school ngoka batai khingyat ka school jongi ka pledging mot tang haka academics handeng yale kumno bang kenthok lang ikwe pati curriculum mo ki activities khamtam haka porjngi mentang yu iba ki khana school ki la expose bahaya ki screen ki information mo ki tip kumba ka phe ya ka po ba menshwa ta kala tala khamlong advance na katuk limba kini ki activities na limba kan ki exhibition bang po ni yarap ru ban te ye ki khana ban penok kam ban shna da ki ti jong ki ban penok kam ye ka no ye jing mo prakhat jong ki ne ka mind si ong mo ban express ru ding ba ka don jong ki mo ban batai shai e ki so tho khamtam ta si pinyo I ka ba pa hirung ru ka theme jong ka exhibition jong ka de creative blossoms munta ka singi I ba ki khana jong ki ko kon kita ki sentiu tang hati craft Henry hati subject pakai apabila ia imba play in classroom ni dan sepun ke topik kita kata tang ka subject ke science ya ka maths ya EDS Henry wat ya ka language ya ka English ya kasi but ni iba ya ka iba kila yo ajinkai mentar sini ki pen I lingba ki jinsna ki jing persang jongki bat pen kre bat lingba ka presentation ngapa ban ong kingyan lingba kini ki project ati craft pasna ki khna tang bangi ka long ek ka bapla deng teru shibon shishu ngalor kata ki kata ngan ong da pharing mo hani ko ong build confidence lingba jingsim banta jungki ka baar ki la ban ya communicate ma communication skill but ki train lang ringkat pat ki parlok jongki but lingba kan ka jinga try lang ki explore ya ka creativity jong iwe pa iwe khna ki badon haka team jongki but kani berkhai ko urlong lingba ka jing yarap ka jing kersan lem ki nong hikai ti matas ni tang bangi penlong ikan ka program ban pen I and then ki create tu ka awareness ba ki khna jong ni ki ton kata ka jingla ba kila ban ladangi ai yaki taka jislur leka encouragement ka ba piang te menta ka CPOE ba kum pala ai ha ka team jongi ka creative blossom ni sha ba ki ko ati kamat ki jongi bani kultu ya paro ba ki pet lem ki ya ban pet ki projects kala pen create ki khna man ki class ba tunju ban pet ki craft bading ba ka jing don betalang joki ni pen story ki khna ban perkhat bahasa syu ban acquire mo ya kataka jing ka dream jongki ban treshitom pat ding baka jing treshitom kila ban yo shibun ki jing kanong lokum ki yo shibun ki jing penslur baki we lu ki yo jing kaina naki
kanong ba bernihan kadon ha uput usam ha pedeng ka asam bat Meghalaya ka we ka them artli ki jila ha ka benta jong ka asam dan kumba ar phautli ki karkhana red category but ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin banaya ka te ka than kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hangta ka don ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ya ka khubor bala pau perthai ha ka benta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santli ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya benta lang hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher dena kata ka daw kini artli ki jila menta kis dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan